What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the chaos. If you're new here, I'm Ryan, and I actually have a 2008 Dodge Viper. So it's a Gen 4, and both the Gen 3, Gen 4 Vipers have like the same outdated look to them. They've got that typical like Dodge 90s truck, Dodge Dakota look to the front end with that T-bar grill and everything. So I've enlisted the help of Toxic Customs, which we're on the way to now, to graft the Gen 5 style bumper to my Gen 4. So it's actually out of the hands of the fabricator at this point. He's built out the inner structure that the bumper mounts to. He's got the bumper itself all plastic welded, so it should be good to go. It's over to the body shop now, and so the guy is working his Bodywork magic, get it all smoothed out, ready for spray. So before they actually get the color down, I want to go check out and see how far along they are in the process. So we're on the way now, so I'll update you when we get there. We made it to Toxic Customs, and we actually had to make a pit stop along the way. So we stopped at Dodge to pick up some bolts and clips, that kind of thing. So not very sexy, but very necessary to actually attach like the grill to the front bumper and just like some odds and ends, that kind of stuff. So now that we're here, let's go check up on the bodywork and see where they're at.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Well, they're definitely into it now. So she's naked. Looks wild, but I was glad we were able to see that inner structure with the bumper off, because they spent so much time, that was a big portion of it, is getting that all built and laid out. So I was kind of glad to see that, because otherwise it's hidden behind the bumper. So it's things you'll never see, but obviously for strength and rigidity, you need that. That's where the bumper mounts to, and then that's where if you get in a collision, like you need that to protect your motor, protect yourself. So, but let's get home and I'll give you the rundown on what I saw and what there is left to do. Back at the house, and I'm actually so impressed with the progress that's actually being made at this point. So I just can't get over the that inner structure. So up until this point, it's been hidden every time we've been up there. Like, I knew he spent a lot of time and effort. That's probably been the biggest hurdle of this project, was getting that built out. But like actually seeing the work that went into it and everything like that, like, it's beautiful. So I'm excited to know that, one, it's gonna keep you safe, but then two, yeah, like it looks, especially once it's painted black, like I feel like it's not gonna, you're not really ever gonna notice it, that kind of thing. So I've just really been impressed with like how they've been able to utilize all like the factory locations of things, and just so they haven't tampered with a whole lot of the car itself. So, and along with that, the bodywork guy, I feel like he's a perfectionist. So he said he'd probably spend at least maybe 2, maybe 3 days of smoothing that bumper out. I mean, already to this point, just looking at it, kind of, he's only been working on it for a few hours, but just from the work that he's put in, like, it already looks, it's smooth. To me, you know, to somebody that's does it every day or whatever, like, he's finding all these little imperfections that he's gonna work out. But yeah, seeing it actually look like a bumper, I mean, like, it looks factory. Like, that's what I can't get over, is if you didn't know, you know, that it was 2 bumpers grafted together, yeah, you would have no idea. So I mean, I know that's the point, but yeah, I'm just amazed at how awesome it looks. So I can't wait to actually get it on the car. Seeing how close we are to being done at this point gets me amped up. I know this is going to be a little shorter video, kind of like a mini update, but I wasn't originally planning to even see the car again until I went and picked it up in its final form. But when he told me, you know, hey man, we got the bumper off, it's being prepped right now for paint, do you want to come down and check it out? I couldn't resist. So especially being able to see that bash bar, because I'll probably never see it again. I mean, once that bumper goes on, I can't imagine it ever coming back off, at least not for anything good. But I'm excited to finally get this thing done. But I really appreciate everybody watching. If you do have any questions or anything, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.